So now everyone, welcome back to your online class. And have you got your breakfast already, and are you ready to start your online class, everyone? Well, you yesterday you learned about the sci-fi, stories, okay, about the crystal egg, right? And today lesson you will continue the previous lesson again, but before moving that, teacher would like you to review some the vocabulary that you have learned so far, everyone. So in the crystal egg, you also have learned about the antiques, okay, like glowing, okay, and you also have involved with the target uh, lesson or vocabulary that you are going to study in this lesson, okay. And this is about your writing. So to begin with your writing, you have to know its process, like the beginning and the middle and it at the end. At the beginning, at the step in the writing, the paragraph, you should know about what is you state the title and the topic sentence, and in the middle you describe to support the topic sentence. So in the supporting sentence or supporting detail can be more than three or more than four, okay. But the topic sentence here, topic sentence, it it mention or it control the thought of what are you going to write about, okay. And at the end, meaning that about your conclusion in the story. So when you see this about a science fiction short story here about the crystal egg, you see here like Mr. Cow, was an old man who owned a little antique shop, okay. So teacher would not mention all the point with this, but you can look thoroughly and check. So now we move to our lesson on page 61, everyone. So are you ready, and can you open your book on page 61 together? So on page 61, what do you see here, everyone? Okay, so we have the five vocabulary. We have like the word crystal, the word like curiosity, and the word like vendor, ray, and moonlight, okay. Somehow you have learned some the definition of this vocabulary as well, but today you can do like word matching. So you write the word from the box and then the correct picture. So we have five picture as well, and we have five words again in the box. We have like the word crystal, like moonlight, curiosity, ray, and vendor. So you can look through this, okay. You will see like the first one, the first picture, what are you going to talk about. This is the moon, right? So supposed to be moonlight, okay. So number two, okay, if we doing something like we pay attention, or we try to observe it, okay, or we want to know it, or we want to really learn to do something, okay. And picture number three, this is about the importance or the this okay, the stone from the nature, we can say like that, okay. And number four, the girls is walking, and number five, you see the light, it strike from the sky. So let's check together, everyone. So okay, so today we just focus on the practice, okay. So you have learned here like the first of all called moonlight, okay. And the second one, curiosity. And number 3, crystal. Number 4, wonder. And number 5, ray. Okay. And let's move to the second part, the circle, the answer that are closest in meaning to the words in bold. So we have line number 1 to number 5, and each we have 3 different answer. So you can choose it, and in each answer, some word it the same, can be like the meaning are really close, but now we have to find the closest one. Example like I'm worried about him. He been behaving strangely lately. So we have like the word weirdly, okay, the word constantly, and the word badly. So when someone doing the something badly to you, and you just feel like it's so strange to me, sometimes you can say like that. Example like your friend and you are together in the class, and your friend always respect you, okay, take care of you, but someday he just behave badly to you, so you feel strange, right? Feel strange. But we have another 2 words like word weirdly and constantly, okay. So you can choose which one is the best answer for you right now, everyone. So the best answer is weirdly, okay. Weird and strange, they have we call the synonym, so they have the same idea but just different word, okay. Number 2, we enjoy the kids' amazement as they watch the magic tricks. So number 1 we have like humor. Number 2, letter B we have like surprise, and letter C we have like the word confusions. So the right answer is okay, surprise, okay. Suddenly, my a mysterious light appears in the skies. Could it be an alien ship? Unknown, effect, and beautiful. So, everyone, when you think about something that is mystery for you, okay, that thing really make you feel amazed, make you feel wonder, make you feel wanting to know. So is it 100% that you see that thing, and can you imagine about what is it? Maybe you are not so sure at all, okay. Especially when you see the movie with a sci-fi fiction movie, something mysterious a lot. So the mysterious light. So the right answer for number 3 is the word unknown. So unknown, it is mysterious, okay. So number 4, I hate to be disturbed while I'm studying, so I lock my bedroom door. So the word disturb means you get annoyed by the others, you get trouble by the other, or they make you feel not good, okay. So A for question, 2 better, and C corrected. So the right answer is bother, okay. Number 5, gravity is the force that causes object to fall when you drop something. The force mean the concept, mean the rule, mean the power. So what thing, everyone? Okay, the right answer is letter C. Okay, the powers that causes object to fall when you drop them. Okay, so everyone, now you come to the end of your lesson today, everyone. So again, today we just get review some vocabularies and practice on page 61, number 1 and 2, about the word matching and circle the word that best fit to the bold word. Okay. So thank you everyone and see you again in the second section. Goodbye.